Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or stop Microsoft's Office or Microsoft's products updates. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, I'm just going to follow this community article from Microsoft. And basically here, how we can exactly go and stop or disable the Office updates. So first, you will be needing to go to any Office products. So either it will be Word, PowerPoint, or whatever was the Microsoft product. So I'm just going with Word. And from there, you will be needing just to go to the File menu. So let's suppose that you were already on some kind of documents, you will be needing to go to File. Here we will find Accounts, and basically we can find like updates, and from here you will be able to start like choosing the disable updates from these choices. So as you can see, you will find like manage account, switch license, update license, etc. And if we go to the update options, you will be able to disable updates. And as you can see, this is like the first way like to do it. And another way is to simply go to the settings, and from the settings you will be able to go to updates and security, and from there you will need just to choose Windows Update, advanced option, and from there you will be able like to turn off the received update for Microsoft product when you update Windows. And by that you will be able to start like disabling and turning off like the updates. So as you can see, you can go to the updates, uh, automatic updates, and turn them off, and basically that's it. So simply those were like the steps on how you can successfully disable the updates on your Microsoft products. So thank you for watching and see you next time.